Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your OBS screen recordings look really old. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is open up Notepad. And instead of actually speaking your steps like I am now, you're going to want to So typing is a bit slow, but you can type it if you want. I freaking hate it when my thing gets overloaded. They're gonna want to go grab an unregistered HyperCam 2 icon. I use DuckDuckGo because I'm cool. There's memes, not logos. There's freaking object shows. I didn't expect it to be this difficult. Screw it. Oh. Yeah, this is not a very good way to steal videos. No, stop making the FPS like 2 FPS. Freaking, I have a very potato computer. Okay, I guess. Screw it. And that's funny. So I'm just gonna use this. It's fun messing with your display. Snap that image. That's a mistake there. So you're gonna wanna select it all. So as you see, there's no registering OBS, but there is registering HyperCam 2. Many people don't do that. I'm gonna override this. Yes. Now go to image, browse. Now snatch the unregistered HyperCam 2 logo. As you see, now there's a HyperCam 2 logo. So you're gonna want Windows Movie Maker. So now I have this beautiful unregistered HyperCam 2 watermark. As you see, now that looks pretty realistic, doesn't it? So yeah, these are the 3 things you need to make your video